Now let's take a look at example F here. In this case, we're going to be playing left-hand chords in the closest position with the right-hand melody. Okay, so let's analyze this first. No chords are given to us, so we need to determine the chords. We're in the key of G major. Okay, D, B, D, B, G. That all outlines a 1 chord. So let's just do a 1 chord here. We'll stay with the 1 chord. Next, we have C, A, D. C, A, D. What does that outline? C, A, D. It's all part of a 5/7 there. Okay? We'll just call this a 5 chord for simplicity's sake and go back to the 1 chord. Next measure is the same. 1 chord, 5, back to 1. If I write in my lead sheet symbols here, 5 chord is a D chord, and a 1 chord is a G chord. So G, G, D, G. G, G, D, G. Again, keeping it nice and simple. Closest hand position. So let's do this by just using the cadences we've already learned how to do. So left hand will be here on G3 position. So you just have a 1 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 1 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord. That's what your left hand's going to do. Now all that leaves us to do is to learn how to play the right hand. We look at the parameters, highest note, lowest note. Good news, it's in G position. Highest note is D, so we're just going to do 5th finger, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1. 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Now let's try playing the right hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you're comfortable with that, we can actually put it together. Very simple. Here we go. 1, 2, 1 chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 5 chord. 1, 2, 1 chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 5 chord. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.